Let's do some alternate ears to Salem the cat from the Woobles collection. So you can see Salem the cat here has kind of cone-like the ears are worked in round so that it looks kind of like a thimble, an upside down thimble. And instead I made these little triangular flat ears that I kind of like better. So I thought I would show you how I made the alternate ears. So this is not sponsored. I'm not paid by Woobles at all. This is Salem the cat with the little accessories, the little Halloween costume. So I just wanted to show you him or her with all the accessories. The accessories are sold separately, of course. But anyway, the alternate ears that I made, I wanted to show you how to make them. So I had a ton of purple left over. I probably could make an entire cat, and I would do it with a larger hook next time. But anyway, to make these alternate flat triangular ears, instead of working in the instructions that the Woobles gives you, I put a slip knot on the hook, and using one of the Woobles hooks, this one happens to be from the BT21 collection that I just love so much, but it is the same size hook that is provided with the Woobles kits. We're going to place a slip knot on the hook and chain one, okay? And then chain one again, so we have a total of 2. Now in the second chain from the hook, we're going to place 3 single, let's just do 1. I think I did 1 the first time. Do 1 single crochet. Let's get you in frame there. Then we will chain 1 and turn. Now in this back side, I don't know why the camera's a little crooked. I'm using a different software today, so maybe that's why. We're going to do 2 single crochets in this stitch, and then 1 we're going to fit into there. So we are making a little upside down triangle. And that is what we are doing instead of a cone. Instead of a little traffic cone, we are trying to do a little upside down triangle. And let's fit this in here. It's a little wiggly, but then you end up with a little flat triangular piece that is, there you go. That is more similar to an actual cat. And since we have 3 that run around the house, so really it is put a slip knot on your hook and then chain 2, single crochet in the second one, chain 1, turn, and fit 3 single crochets off the top. Then we will cut, leaving a tail for weaving, and put the cut tail through the loop where the hook had been. This is the tail that's going to weave onto the piece. This tail down here that was the bottom of the very beginning slip knot, I'm going to take my yarn needle, and through the back of the little ear, I'm going to just draw that loop straight down. So I'm just going to weave that tail in kind of straight down. So I do love this corded yarn, or this chainette kind of yarn with the little polyfill core to it, but it can be thick, which is perfect for amigurumi, but it does make it hard to like fit things in between. But that's all right. Okay, so we're just putting that little tail down. Okay, so now we have this little corner triangular piece, and down here I'll orient it differently. Down here is the beginning slip knot where I'm holding, and then here's the top 3 single crochets, and this is going to be the curved part of the ear. So it goes onto the wooble with the curved part toward the forehead. And the little slip knot part where we started the piece is down here closer to the eyes, or the side of the body. And then I just used this tail to then sew it onto the wooble. So if you were to just put it on your hook or on your needle and orient it where you want, and it says in the wooble the instructions like where it goes between like row 3 and 5 or whatever, then you'll just start sewing it on. But then you'll have this little triangular ear with this nice little curved top here that is here, which I think makes for a much nicer ear than the little cone. So anyway, if you like that, please like and subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and I will see you on the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye.